Okay, so I got a Cuisinart microwave. I need to change this one, so barely works. These microwaves on Amazon, they're pretty expensive. It's about 300 bucks, give or take 250 maybe. I think I need a knife. I'll need a knife. Okay, so I got the plate, manual. I don't need any more junk, so I'm gonna start throwing out quite a lot of stuff that I have up here. Popcorn maker is crap. Let's keep some mixing bowls and stuff like that. And this is something I really needed for the kitchen. I could buy a used microwave, but it'd be a lot smaller. It looks like a decent size. This came by truck, so I did not carry this. So anything I buy online either costs like 150 bucks to 100 bucks. There's going to be shipping added to it, so I don't drive, so I have to pay up on shipping. So it's about 200 bucks, 250 bucks after shipping, and they can go up to 300 bucks on Amazon. So wafer, even I don't know if they have microwaves or not, but I need to get this one out. Because this one is still working, but not very well. So it's on its last leg, and still got stuff in there. Yeah, this stuff stank. Get this out. So it's in its new spot, and yeah, that stuff was really bad. But that'll be one for the blooper. But sometimes you forget to take stuff out, so that's how it is. And there's a lot of room in this one, so it's not a microwave oven, but stuff like this for me is very expensive. Buying anything brand new, I need to save up at least 2 months ahead, and I cannot buy anything extra. So anytime I can, I get a little extra from the family, and I'll save up a little bit and I'll buy something. So I won't be able to cook upstairs all the time. That's my pantry over here. Whatever I have to use on my own. Sometimes the family helps out, but not too often. Yeah, it's about 200 bucks I think locally, but on Amazon it might be 250 plus give or take shipping. If you find it locally, it'll be cheaper, maybe 150, 200 bucks. So you don't have to pay the heavy shipping fees. But if you're buying online, you don't have to lug the thing home. So you can let the shipping people do that for you. So whichever way works for you. I don't know if this thing can come off. Yeah, so I guess that comes off. Whatever that is, 1,000 watts. Does a baked potato. See what it does here in beverage, rice, heat, fresh vegetables, bacon. Has bacon. Holy kurwa. Much not rubbish bacon. Thanks for watching. So I don't know how to keep this thing clean too, or it won't last very long. I don't have a whole lot of new stuff in my kitchen, so whatever is here. It's a little kitchen downstairs, so extra kitchen like I can't cook whatever crap I buy, and I don't have to keep this on the counter, so because I have this kind of shelf, especially for the microwave, and it works, so it doesn't take up counter space. Thanks for watching. Unboxing Quesenart microwave. Kind of a weird name for a microwave. I would think it'd be more like for blenders and stuff. But yeah, locally I think it's about 150 to 200 bucks after taxes and all that crap. So Amazon will probably be closer to 250, 300 with shipping and all that shit. Whichever way you go, whichever floats your boat. If you drive, then go to Walmart or whatever. If not, then you have to go to Amazon to buy this heavy crap. Thanks for watching. Unboxing and review of this oversized microwave. Fancy crap, whatever they make now.